Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to add stickers on Viber. Also I wonder why you want to know how to add stickers on Viber. It is because you're somebody who likes using a lot of stickers while you're chatting. Or maybe you think that stickers takes less time because in chatting it takes a lot of time when you're typing it or whatever reason it could be. So in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first thing that you have to do is you just have to simply tap on the icon of the Viber app so that we could open the Viber. Once the app get open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. Here we have a lot of options all over the screen. Right now we're in the chat section where all the chats are available. But if you click on calls, you will get into the call logs section. But we have to select this third option, which is more. Just simply tap on it to open this option. There you will see a lot of different options. From all these options, what you have to do is you have to select the first option, which is sticker market. Here by its name it indicates that it is related to stickers, so just simply click on it to open this option. Here as you can see on the top it is written sticker market, that means from there we can get stickers. There are 3 to 4 types of different options. From these options we can see there we have stickers. First we have the top ones. All these stickers are the trending one and the mostly used ones. So if you want to see any one of these, you just have to simply scroll down and select whatever you like. After that you just have to simply tap on it and that option will open. So here as you can see, through this green option you can download these stickers if you like it. Otherwise you can go and check the other ones. You can download any one of these whatever you like, but some of them are paid, so you cannot download it. You just have to pay for it. So if you want to pay for it, you can pay for it. Otherwise you can download the free ones. Other than the top ones, we have others like free, new and collection. So you can select the free ones. There all the stickers are free, and in new some of them are paid and some of them are free. And in collections we have the pack of stickers, so you can check them, and if you like any one of these you can download it. So to download it, first we have open the collection, and if you like them you can keep it, otherwise you can go to free, and there you have to just check for the stickers. Click any one of these and then click on download, and after that it will get downloaded. On the top we also got the alert that we have downloaded these stickers and now we can use them. So to use them we just have to get back to our chat, and there you have to click on this option, and there you can see we have just downloaded this pack of stickers and we got it. When I'm clicking on any one of these stickers are getting pasted. So that's how you can also download any kind of stickers of your choice from sticker market on Viber. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can download stickers from Viber. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.